Hello, my name is Joshua, and today I'm going to show you how to sell or liquidate an asset. So when you first log in, you want to look for the Quick Links box. In that box, you'll see Sell Asset right in the middle. Click that. Select the account. Select the asset. Click Next. And it will open up a new tab with the Sell Direction Letter. So depending on the asset you select, it will give you the correct Sell Direction Letter. Just for example, if you have real estate in your account, select the real estate property, it will provide the real estate sell direction letter. Since we selected an LLC, have the private equity sell direction letter here. And so what you want to do, just go ahead and complete it and send it back to us. You can email it, fax it, or mail it. The information here in the upper right corner. If you electronically sign, we only allow electronic signatures from DocuSign, HelloSign, Adobe Sign, Write Signature, AuthentiSign, Dotloop, and Sign Now. And keep in mind, if you electronically sign using one of those, we also require the certificate of completion. So that will have to be submitted as well with this form. And that's how you sell or liquidate an asset. I hope this helps. Thank you.